The portable audio space has never been the same since the release of the very first AirPods in 2016. You're virtually safe to say that about each and every Apple release, but AirPods in particular have been a standout, even for Apple. According to the latest market data, the revolutionary Apple product has been so successful, in fact, that it alone surpassed the revenue of Snapchat, Spotify, and Twitter combined in 2021. No surprise then to know that the third-party support accessory market for AirPods is enough to foster a very, very healthy amount of free market enterprise. As such, we wanted to dig deep to find our very favorite Apple AirPods Pro accessories currently available. Before we dive in, there are a few things we'd like to address. First, the AirPods landscape continues to change iteration after iteration. For the sake of this guide, we chose accessories compatible with the AirPods Pro. That's not to say that our picks won't have compatibility with earlier or later versions of other AirPods releases, but they will certainly work with the AirPods Pros as tested. Second, we did our best to provide a slew of budget-friendly picks, but there are a few premium accessories sprinkled in. Depending on the type of AirPod accessory you're looking to procure, plan to budget anywhere between $10 to $100 extra on accessories if you're looking to purchase your AirPods and your AirPods accessories at the same time. Third, with the new release of the Apple iPhone 15 and the announcement of a new charging case for the Apple AirPods Pro that will use USB-C, we just wanted to clarify that for this guide, we're using the older version that builds in the Apple Lightning connector. Going forward, we're sure there will be some updates to the AirPod Pro accessory market, but our guide doesn't harbor any specific Lightning-based charging accessories, so you can still lean on this guide moving forward. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at a batch of our favorite AirPods Pro accessories. We're of the persuasion that if you're spending hard-earned cash on pricey tech in the first place, you should also budget to protect said tech. There's nothing worse than picking up a brand new purchase only to have it rendezvous with the pavement shortly thereafter. Granted, AirPods Pros are one of the most durable pieces of tech courtesy of the hard-wearing built-in charging case, but Catalyst can do you one better. Case in point, the Catalyst AirPods Pro 100-meter waterproof total protection case. This IP68 rated AirPods Pro case is built like a tank, so much so that loyal fans of the brand have given it that very nickname, the Tank. And why do we say this? Only because it maintains 100 meters of water resistance and a 20-foot military-grade impact protection rating, by way of a one-piece polycarbonate exterior, a tight sealing silicone interior aided by a hook-like advanced locking system, a knurled pairing button, and uses a waterproof seal by the charging port to keep out water and dirt. Even though the total protection case is one of the most hard-wearing AirPods Pro cases in existence, it still supports wireless charging and even builds in what Catalyst calls a submarine-like porthole to view the status LED built into the side of the native charging case. Last, but certainly not least, Catalyst supplies a durable Carabiner to secure your AirPods Pro Gen 1 or Gen 2 to your carry solution of choice. Between wax, dirt, and dust, there's no getting around the fact that your AirPods Pros will suffer a fair amount of abuse once you put them to use. Hagibis makes maintenance easy by way of the Cleaning Pen multifunctional cleaner kit for all versions of the AirPods. There are a litany of cleaning multi-tools for Apple's AirPods Pros on Amazon, but this is one of the best, boasting over 24,000 user reviews with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5. The Cleaning Pen is incredibly simple and simple to use, with 3 purpose-built tools to clean and maintain each and every part of your earbuds. The Hagibis Cleaning Pen multifunctional cleaning kit uses a short, pen-like case to hold a bidirectional cleaning head with 3 built-in tools. First, a flocking sponge just long enough to clean the dirt, dust, and debris from the charging ports inside the AirPods case, just like this. Second, a dense, soft bristle brush to clean the mesh protecting the drivers. Third, a metal pen tip in case there's any debris that's particularly stuck on within any sharp angles the other tools can't access. We really like its simple design and ease of use with the bidirectional cleaning head, and the pen comes fitted with a cap to keep the tools clean when not in use. Plus, it's highly portable in any larger carry solution like a backpack, EDC pouch, or keychain. Name something worse. Not only are you stuck in coach, or excuse us, economy, but now your cheap airline-supplied headphones are crackling, muffled, and you can clearly hear the crying baby a few rows back while just trying to enjoy that film you forgot to catch in theaters. The first mistake was forgetting your own noise-canceling headphones. Obviously. Your second sin, forgetting to bring along 12 South's AirFly Pro Bluetooth wireless audio transmitter. Instead of using your standard 3.5mm jack to hardwire your headphones into the in-flight entertainment system by way of the armrest, the AirFly Pro Bluetooth wireless audio transmitter and receiver allows for full wireless audio playback in a form factor you can easily stow in a pocket, backpack, or EDC pouch, and it measures up at only 4 inches in length by 1 inch in width. This is an incredibly straightforward unit, but that's exactly why it made our list, As is the case with virtually all AirPods Pro accessories, there is a laundry list of manufacturers who claim to make the best XYZ, but according to our tests, the 12 South units are the most reliable. Plug it into any 3.5mm jack available, and you're provided instant wireless Bluetooth pairing capability. The AirFly transmitter and receiver has a central pairing button with an adjacent LED status indicator capable of pairing with 2 sets of AirPods at the same time. A transmit or receive toggle switch on the side, along with a reset button to clear the pairing cache in case you encounter any issues, a convenient USB-C charging port to top off the AirFly's 25-hour battery at any given time, and a short, flexible cable to adapt to any 3.5mm jack, no matter the orientation. Sure, the 12 South AirFly Pro is ideal for jet setting, but its use case isn't just limited to a plane. Use it with your larger tech devices to wirelessly connect to more than one set of AirPods, eliminate cords from your daily workout routine on the treadmill, stream music from your smartphone to your car's entertainment system. The list is endless. It seems as though we come full circle. Straps for wireless headphones, you say? Yeah, we laugh too, but once you actually examine their use case and how they differ from conventional wired headphones, they do actually make sense, and the Seltureone anti-loss straps make this argument perfectly. Anti-loss is the key word here. Wired headphones did check this box to keep track of your earbuds, but the wire needed to be connected to your phone, which most likely lived in your pocket. Catching those wires on a doorknob and accidentally ripping them out of your ears is not only exceedingly frustrating, but downright painful as well. The best part about these anti-loss straps for the AirPods Pros are that they simply wrap around the neck and secure the AirPods to your person without the chance of encountering what we just explained. And even if they do fall from your ears, which happens from time to time, they'll hug your neck until you position them back in your ear. Plus, they maintain some elasticity, so even if you do end up snagging them, there's a minor chance they won't rip from your ears in the same way a pair of wired ones would. Use cases: think strenuous exercising of any kind, or even handiwork around the house where the potential of disengagement from the ear is high, where you don't want to worry about your AirPods falling out, and you also don't want to use a set of cumbersome wired or wireless over-the-ear headphones. We think the use cases are clear and seemingly endless. The second best part, they come in a pack of 2 for under $10, so if you lose your anti-loss straps, Seltureone's already ahead of you. And no, unfortunately, they do not make anti-loss straps for your anti-loss straps. In the same vein, Proof Labs has ventured yet one step further with an even more streamlined anti-loss system: earhooks. The Proof Labs earhooks for the Gen 1 AirPods Pro foregoes the strap system for silicone earhooks that slip onto the AirPods housing and provides an extra measure of safety for exercise or other manual labor tasks where the risk of shocks and bumps becomes inflated. Normally, your standard pair of earhooks wrap around the outside part of the upper lobe where your ear meets the skull to maintain a snug fit. The Proof Labs earhooks subvert the norm and use an internal system that uses the channels of the inner ear to enact pressure, therefore keeping the AirPods safely in place. The Proof Labs earhooks were engineered to integrate seamlessly with the infrastructure of the AirPods, and as such, they're incredibly light. Quite literally featherweight at 0.6 ounces for the pair. You quite literally just slip them over the outer AirPod housing and place the earbud in your ear like normal. The hook system will automatically situate itself to provide an extra measure of protection. Now, our only gripe is that the Proof Labs earhooks don't allow the native AirPods Pro charging case to close when the earhooks are installed on the AirPods. Luckily, Proof Labs supplies a storage case and a Carabiner to attach them to your keychain or backpack, but the constant installation and deinstallation is a bit cumbersome. Our next AirPods Pro accessory is for anyone who's thought the white silicone ear tips that come standard with the AirPods Pro are too big, too small, or too uncomfortable in any regard. Comply's foam ear tips are a set of custom AirPods Pro ear tip replacements constructed from high-density, high-quality memory foam to ergonomically contour perfectly to the ear canal in order to 1. Maximize comfort, and 2. Maximize noise cancellation and therefore fidelity. Installation takes under 10 seconds. With the standard set popped off, gently squeeze the foam tip, press in, and apply pressure until you hear a coat button like snap. And that's it, there you have it. In the package, for just over $25, Comply supplies a trio of small, medium, and large ear tips if you pick the assorted package, or you can opt to purchase a set of 3 in the size of your choice, like these ones in large. We love that the ear tips are so easy to install and that they're wildly comfortable. But we would also like to see Comply come out with a white pair of memory foam ear tips to keep the Apple default white color coordination in place. The black, blue, or green ear tips can be a bit unsightly for some, and we can understand the criticism. While the Globetrotters, outdoor explorers, or the particularly rough on gear need the extra protection of Catalyst's total protection case, the urban commuter has a definitively different set of needs, among those, aesthetics. which is to say that even the most granular EDC details can be coordinated and curated with a fine-tooth comb. Nomad Goods has a penchant for crafting signature, luxurious tech accessories, more often than not out of high-quality leather, as is the case with the Nomad Goods AirPods Pro leather case. This case is hyper-minimalist, no way around it, and crafted from a beautifully dyed full-grain leather from the Danish tannery Echo with a 360-degree integrated optical light pipe and a punch-out from the pairing status LED, lanyard, and charging port. This two-part case is fully compatible with the Gen 1 and Gen 2 AirPods Pro models and comes in black, brown, English tan, or natural finish in your choice of full-grain leather or even more hard-wearing Horween leather. You'll find that Nomad's craftsmanship is bar none, so if you're already checking out their AirPods Pro case options, we'd also suggest looking further if you're in the market for a complete set of tech accessory EDC. Similar to 12 South's transmitter and receiver, Satechi provides a means by which you can expand your AirPod infrastructure and compatibility across all devices. The Satechi wireless charging dock uses a USB-C charging interface to siphon battery life from any compatible device in order to wirelessly charge your AirPods Pros. The most obvious use cases would be charging via a MacBook or iPad, both of which currently use high-speed USB-C ports for power in and out. By plugging the docking station into any available USB-C port on your device, you can provide instant 5-watt wireless charging to your AirPods Pro. Fans of the clean Apple design MO will obviously love the Satechi wireless charging dock for the same reasons, as it has a similar white glossy docking surface and a sleek space gray 360-degree sandblasted steel base around the periphery. While we love the wireless charging dock, the accessible price point just over $20, and its compact form factor at 2.3 inches long by 1.73 inches wide by 0.48 inches thick, there are a few design improvements we think are warranted for even better user experience. First, while the USB-C port infrastructure works as designed, we notice that the dock doesn't sit flush with whatever flat surface you'll be working on. As such, if you place any more pressure on the docking station other than the weight of the AirPods themselves, you do risk damaging both the USB-C port of the wireless charging pad and the female USB-C port of the charging device. Second, don't expect the same rate of charging as a wired system or even your standard compatible wireless charging pad that utilizes AC power. Those will both be equal to or greater than 10 to 15 watts of wireless charging speed and fill up the AirPods Pro battery capacity quickly. The Satechi wireless charging dock, on the other hand, will take about double the amount of time as the charging speed is about half. If you're looking for even more serious cleaning power than what a manual cleaning pen can offer, or at the very least far more set it and forget it convenience, the answer is the Carepodd UV Cleaner for the AirPods Pro. The small brick-like device harnesses the mechanical power of brushes and UV radiation to both clean and disinfect your AirPods simultaneously, and the whole process only takes about 20 seconds. The form factor is in the Apple style, like a few of our other favorite Apple AirPods Pro accessories, which is to say it uses the same glossy white material to house the electronics inside. To completely clean and sanitize your AirPods, first open the magnetic lid. Inside you'll see a set of custom brackets for the left and the right pod. Place them face down with the ear tips attached. Close the lid and press the blue central start button. Then, wait 20 seconds until the timer stops, and then simply open the lid to reveal a pair of fully clean and germ-free AirPods ready for use. Obviously, repeat this cycle as many times as you deem necessary, but for a normal amount of dirt, wax, and debris, 1 to 2 20-second cleaning cycles was all it took for our AirPods. Since the rotating bristles only touch the interior mesh portion of the AirPods when they are face down, you can also manually clean the back and the sides of the AirPods, if necessary, of any dirt and debris by rotating the earbuds over the bristles. In an age when viruses are lingering in the back of everyone's mind, having a welcome dedicated cleaning companion, even compact enough for on-the-go AirPod maintenance, is certainly worth the investment. And to keep the Carepodd battery charged, just use the included micro USB charger. Belkin has a time-tested reputation for manufacturing premium tech accessories in all categories, including AirPods. Among the top for Apple's AirPods Pro is the Belkin 3-in-1 wireless charger. Technically, this is not a dedicated Apple AirPods Pro accessory. However, it's so well suited as a complete Apple device charging ecosystem that we'd be remiss not including it in this guide. Each device has a dedicated wireless charging pad. On the very left, a vertical 7.5 watt charging station for the iPhone. Next, moving to the right-hand side, another vertically oriented Apple Watch 5-watt charging pad. And finally, just behind, a 5-watt AirPods charging pad. Belkin goes a step further than just providing docks for power, as they build in safe magnets to secure your devices to the charging stand when it's in use to prevent accidental falls or drops. This particular charging device is wired and does need to be plugged into a wall outlet for power, but the cord is engineered out the backside of the dock to discreetly slip behind the backside of a desk or a nightstand. With other units on the market, of which there are plenty, the Belkin 3-in-1 feels sturdy with a notable heft to keep it in place wherever it'll live. In terms of profile, expect the docking station to take about 7.5 inches in length by 4 inches in width of space, with a height of just over 4 inches. Keep in mind, wireless charging can still be a bit finicky with thick protection cases, and never as fast as hardwired setups. User experience from case to case will certainly vary, and charging speeds will be slower, so definitely keep expectations reasonable.